Hi, my name is Nishant and I'm here to take a very common question that why we should take DhobiLite franchisee. Okay, let's start with why one should take a franchisee. Very first criteria is those who do not admire to create a brand of their own should go for a franchisee and they are primarily interested in business. Let's take an analogy. After intermediate, when you plan to go for a graduation, what things you have in mind? So first thing, which stream should I choose? Which college, obviously, faculty and experience of that college, the fees that is associated with the college, future perspective, placement scenario in that particular college, right? I hope by now you got my point. You have to decide your stream first. You want to go for laundry, you want to go for restaurant, you want to go for grocery. So that is the stream that you need to choose first. Okay, the next question is which college? I have decided laundry. Okay, you analyze many angles: infrastructure, experience, course structure, modern one or old one, national ranking. Similarly, how old that company is and how updated their technology is. The next comes the very important factor is faculty, as many departments of top college do not have good faculty. So no point of choosing that particular college if you are choosing a particular stream. Similarly, what you have to check while taking a franchisee is the founding members and the associated members, what experience they have in that particular stream. Overall cost of the franchisee will be the fourth point that you will see. Now, for a college, you see how good the placements are. Over here, you see what the ROI is, what my future with this particular company is, and how much growth they have shown in past. Like for in a college, you see what is the placement scenario, past placement scenario in that particular college. I think I have made my point. So no college assures that you will get a placement. It's your due diligence and your effort that will get you the best job. Colleges can show their past performance and nobody can predict future. So you should maintain a distance with the companies that claim that they can assure you a particular business. By name, it's a business, which means that there is a risk associated with that particular business. College responsibility is to guide you, train you, show right path and provide you an ecosystem where you can grow. Similarly, as a franchisor, it's our responsibility to teach you about the industry, the best practices, do some hand holding and then show you the path and provide you a healthy ecosystem where you can perform. With this note, I close my video and I'll leave it to you. You have to analyze which stream you have to choose and which college you have to choose. Thank you.